Hello friends, Pia this side. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn about AlertView. So today our objective would be, if we're creating one button, if I'm clicking on that button, a AlertView message should pop up. Okay, fine. So I've already created an project over here called as Alert. Now I'm going to main storyboard and here I will create one button. Okay, so my button is already here, dragging over it, and I'll little customize this button over here, and I wanted to give name as social. Okay, and little increase the font size. I'm not able to see it. We'll give text color as white, and we'll give the background color as red. Cool. So wanted to link this button, so we have to click on assistant editor. Okay, so let me click. So what it allows you to view both of the files together. One, it is my main storyboard, another it is my view controller.h. So you can choose any of the views over. You can choose .m file also, .h file. So I right now need an .h file. So if you want to link this button over here, what you have to do, just hold control, drag it here. Now click on action, name give us social, and ID is UI button, touch up inside it, connect. So if I hover it, you can see it selecting my button. That means my button is created, correct? Now I wanted to go to viewcontroller.m. Here my method is already been created. Here I have connected my button, and in .m my method will be automatically created. Okay, here I will connect one more thing over here, connect the AlertView delegate. Okay, now I'm going here and create a AlertView. So how will I do that? UIAlertView, create an object called alert and then allocate it. UIAlertView, allocate, same init with title. Okay, so what title you wanted to give here? Like I wanted to give like welcome to social. Okay, message I'll give choose your favorite, and delegate will be self. Cancel button title you can take at any button. Okay, so I'll give name as Google. It no need it to be like you have to give cancel only. You can take it as any button, and another button title, so you can take multiple buttons over here. I'll give name as YouTube. Okay, so with this 2 lines of code, my alert view is completed. Now what we needed to do, we have to show alert, the same object you have created here, right? Alert and show. That's all. Now we'll run this application and we'll see whether we are able to see the alert message or not, whatever we just created. Okay, just YouTuber I give. Okay. Okay, say this: welcome to social, choose your favorite, Google and YouTube. Okay, I'll just correct the spelling. Now if you see, if I click on Google, it is going back, that is nothing is happening. So if I wanted to click on Google, it should open a Google page. So for that, what I have to do, I have to go here, jump to definition, and I have to take copy one method. Okay, and then we'll paste it here. So what it allows you, it will take all the buttons and keep each and every button inside the index. So index 0, it starts with Google, index 1 will be YouTube. So what I have to do, I'll write one condition over it. If button index came from here, okay, is equal to 0, that means Google, then it should open my Google page. UI application, shared application, open URL. Is asking for give ns URL and URL with string. What string? String is your URL only. You have to give complete URL. http://www.google.com. Okay. Now we will check once whether it is working or not, and then we'll go with the YouTube. Now let me click here and let me click on Google. Oh, see, I am able to open my Google page, and here automatically one back button is already been created. Okay, so if I click on this one, it will take you to this page. Okay, so this is a beauty of Xcode, actually, the beauty of Objective-C. So now we will show you about the YouTube also. Okay, so if you want, we'll write it once again. Else if condition button index equal to 1. I personally feel that you should, instead of copying, you should write each and everything, so that it will be a practice for you. And same button index, now it is 1, that means we are writing for YouTube. Okay, so it will be UI application, shared application, open URL. Here it will be ns URL, it's asking that, and URL with string. Okay, what is the string is about? The same you can give http:// and slashes, then www.youtube.com. Okay, done. We'll try this one also. Here it come, and I will click on social, we'll click on YouTube. See, I can see my YouTube is opened here, right? Okay, so like this you can create an alert message. Even inside the alert message also you can create a multiple buttons. Here, from here you can create multiple buttons, like I want news. Okay, and we will see once again that if I click that one, then if I click on social, then there will be 3 buttons. See, YouTube, news and Google, right? So even for news also you can open a page, or you can do anything else. So alert view is very important, because in each and every project it is being used, so you'll get to know whenever you will start coding on it. One thing, I don't know you have noticed or not, in everywhere it is telling UIAlertView is deprecated in iOS 9, and here also, and even the open URL is also deprecated in iOS 10. So instead of open URL, they are asking to use this, and instead of alert view, they're asking UI alert controller to use it. Okay, so this is very easy and people are still using it, so you can use it, there won't be any problem. But yes, still, if you don't want to show this type of warnings, then you can use UI alert controller. So I will show you on my next video how to use UI alert controller, and you can do the same thing. That's whatever I have shown you now, then clicking on one button and opening the other pages, or clicking on the multiple buttons. So that is also the same thing you can do it in the UI alert controller also. So I will show you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned, and if you do have any issues, then you can comment, And if you really like this video, I need one thumbs up, and get it subscribed, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.